Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, I will let you guys know how you can provide multiple filter conditions on a single dimension. For example, I have various subcategories here in my data. Now, let me check the sales of all of these subcategories. So, all of these are sales of all of these subcategories. So, these are the various subcategories and these are the respective sales. Now, suppose I want to apply two conditions on this subcategory dimension. One condition is to exclude a particular subcategory, and apart from it, I also want to give a filter or an end user filter of all the subcategories. So, for doing that, what I will do is first, I will put subcategory in the filter shelf. Suppose I want to exclude accessories from this list. So I will click on accessories and I will select exclude. Now, as you can see that accessories is removed from my data. But suppose I also want to give an end user functionality so that any out of all of these subcategories, an end user has a functionality wherein he can select his desired subcategory. So what is the general practice in Tableau for giving an end user functionality is just click on this subcategory and click on show filter. But as we have already applied the exclude filter, so we are here getting the option of exclude only. For example, if I click on appliances, that then appliances will be removed from my data. So for doing this, what I will do is I will make a copy of this subcategory dimension. So I will just right click over here and click on duplicate. Now I will click on show filter. So this is the end user functionality which I want to give, wherein he can select whatever subcategory of his choice. So I will go and I will just hide this particular card of exclude. But as we can see that accessories is also present here, but accessories is not actually in my chart because we have already excluded the accessory subcategory. So what I will do is I will go click on this particular arrow and I will click on only relevant values. So as you can see that if I select only relevant values, then accessories will be removed and I will be able to see only those subcategories which are present in my data. Now I can just change the format of this particular filter based on my choice. So as you can see, now I can now end user has a functionality of selecting whatever subcategories he wants, given that we have already excluded one of the subcategories from our data. So this was a quick video based on how we can apply multiple conditions on a single dimension. Thanks.